Now the theme of our this Riders app, as you know, we have set it to black. It will be white. Okay, the theme of this will be white. After that you will see our dashboard item UI. Also, the reason why we add this gradient is some of the students may want to make it more attractive, like for example giving it different colors. Let's say for these buttons which are at indexes 0, 3 and 4, we can, let's say, change it to, let's say, green, purple. You will see the difference now. Okay, so you see 0th index, 3rd index and 4th index. These are the buttons. It looks like this. So if you want to change it like this, you can do it, of course. So this is how to make a specific item or any button more attractive. We use decoration for that, and of course decoration is a property inside a container. So for example, for these buttons we have the combination of green and purple color. Similarly, for the other remaining buttons, you can say, let's say, yellow, and let's proceed with red. So you see, it will look like this. Of course you can change it to any color you want. According to that, it will show you like this. Okay, but what I will proceed with a pure black for the 0, 3, 4th indexes buttons items, and for these ones I will proceed with black 87. Okay, so it is totally up to you. Instead of this black 87, to make it a little bit gray, we can say black 54. So you see the difference now. And of course, if you want, you can further increase the margins from all side 18. It is totally up to you. Okay, so you can play around with the properties also. Now the important thing is to add click events for these 5 buttons, for these 5 dashboard items. As I told you guys, each dashboard item has its own index number. So for example, when the user tap, we will first check if the index is 0, it means which button is pressed. It means that this button is pressed, which is for new available orders. Let's quickly create these screens. Right click on main screens, new dot file. We will give it name as new available orders. Of course this is a screen, so we can write the keyword screen. Okay, new available order screens. Import the material.dart, and let's create stat full widget, the name of which will be new available order screen. And for now we will leave it empty. Okay, then the second one we have is parcel in progress, so let's create that as well. Parcels in progress underscore screen, stateful widget, parcels in progress screen. Then we have the third screen. Let's quickly implement this as well. I mean create that as well, which is not yet delivered screen. Then comes the history screen. And then of course we have total earnings, that is the earnings screen. So right click on main screen, new dot file, so these are our screens. Now what we can do, that is if the index is 0, that means the user click on new available orders item or button you can say. So what we will do, we will send the user to the screen which is new available order screen. Similarly, let's copy paste it quickly, 5 times further, 3 4 5. So if the index is 1, the index is 2, index is 3 4 5. If index is 1, it means it is parcel in progress screen. Parcel in progress screen. If index is 2, not yet delivered screen. If index is 3, history. And if index is 4, it means earning screen. And of course this one, the last one, is the logout. So we can simply say Firebase auth.instance.signout and simply send the rider to the MySplace screen. That's it. Now let's install the app on our phone. So the app is running now, and for now you know that all the other screens are empty. You can see, okay, we have just the placeholder on each page. So we will just test out our logout feature for now. So now if we click on the logout, we are logged out from the app.